So, hello, I am Adhiraj Mishra and you all are watching Facts and Knowledge with Adhiraj Mishra. So, this is going to be a smooth imposter gameplay of Among Us plus some additional games also. And the most of the games I'll try to be the imposter and show you some smooth imposter gameplay. First of all, I'll try Mirage Cube because my favorite map, and with two imposters, I'll try three. Because with three imposters, that's the highest chance of becoming it. So you will enjoy. Sorry for some background disturbance. There might be some background noises in the video. So let's begin. So here we go. What? We go. Imposter. So here you go. With three imposters, you have so less people to kill, and all the enjoy you get is very less. But also, this is a high chance of becoming a imposter and winning. 96.6% the three imposters will win and other crewmates will lose. But also, in some very extremely rare cases, there might be it. So, many people found the body together. That's rather strange. So, let me see who gets voted. So they voted out a crewmate. Haha, that was red. Now I want a sweet kill. A sweet kill. There are still many people left. And I'll kill one of them. And that will be a nice thing to do. Wanna double kill? Kare? Oh, so here you go. Looks like someone found another body. I don't know I can kill a person in that. Sorry for some background disturbance. This I see who gets voted out now. Oh, so I was so close. Otherwise, I lost almost. Oh, so like now just one more kill and a great victory. 2, 1. Game over. Now let's try something else. Two imposters in police. That's a nice thing. So let me see what I become. Oh, crewmate. Now I'll show you some crewmate gameplay also in this map. So in this type of map, such a giant map and two imposters, my best bet is to stay with people and follow them and don't forget to do tasks. No, this is the easy task. So I have a bad task. I don't like that task. And I hate that Star Tractor one. But hopefully I don't have that one. Oh, someone locked the door. Oh, someone's dead already. Let me see who gets voted. Looks like everyone's suspecting blue. Some 3 people also voted yellow. I think it's the simple imposter. Oh, he was not an imposter. That only one thing. Oh, someone has to quickly fix that. I know 100% who this imposter is. That one that said it's blue. I don't remember what its colors was, but I recognize. It was black and lime. So we lost this, but let's try something else. Finally, scared with one imposter. The scared map with one imposter. This is going to be a small video, so sorry. So there are only 6 people. A high chance of becoming an imposter. No problem. I think cyan may be a good color to become it. So I disconnected from that lobby, no problem. So I got into this lobby. Here I have lime, which also has a high chance of imposter. Here you go. Let's see what we become. Oh, crewmate. So I'm leaving this game because I want to show you some imposter gameplay. So let's try this one because that's also a nice one. Oh, that was the full. So I got into this game and this time I'll try to become an imposter. Crewmate, no problem. Now I will show you only crewmate because there is only one imposter and so many people. That's a very less chance of winning of imposter. So I can stay with people also sometime alone because If it's only one imposter here, that will be a quite safe. Is this the imposter? I hope the imposter do something in front of me so I can say he did it. So I am going to. Oh, someone found the body. Let's see who gets voted out. So they all are saying red. Let's try it. Is he the imposter or just a crewmate? Otherwise, it's a hard. Oh, he was not the imposter. Only 6 people left. So quite easy for the imposter. Only 4 people dead and he wins. I have to be quite careful now because this is one of the rare situations in which there's a chance of winning of the imposter and someone left. Now only 3 people killed and the imposter will win. So that's a bad situation. I have to. Is this orange sus? I have to look after him. Oh, he killed me. Oh, shh. So I was right. Orange was the sus. So, looks like someone found the body. I think I have to type orange. But I know only ghost can listen me. Because I am voted out. The one that's voted out can talk to everyone, but one that's got killed, not. No one suspected orange. That will be a lose for us. Purple was not the imposter, I know it. I better get finished with my task because there's also some chance that task can be finished. I hope ghost also finished their task, but if the ghost also leave, it will be impossible for us to win. Or very less tasks are done. As you can see our cafeteria. Download data. No, fix wires. Let's see what's going on here. I've completed with my task. Almost completed with my task. Some left. Weapons, download data. I better get to see what this imposter is doing here. Leave this, I have a task here. I better follow orange. I know no one can see the ghosts. I also have some tasks. I better complete my tasks. Security. Let's check. But nothing will happen to check security. I am just focusing on completing my tasks. Almost done, just one left. Download data. Here you go. This video I think is going to be very long. So don't forget to watch till the end. Admin upload data. That's my last task. Almost done. ये तो होने वाला है. हो गया. Done. Now let's see what the imposter is doing. Only 3 crewmates left. If he dies, then we lose. I don't know how these people teleport. I checked the admin table. There are 4 people left. One is in O2 and one is in security. So that's why cameras are blinking. So I am defeat. Oh, victory! I think we have completed my task. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.